What's up, YouTube? It's your guy, Nissan Maxima guy. I got some parts to show you. Well, a set of parts from a 2001 Nissan Maxima Anniversary Edition. Got the passenger side skirt. I think this is a factory paint, it's the Merlot color. But I got the passenger side, no cracks, you know, normal flaws, you know, scuffs, you know, road issues, rocks, little chips, but no cracks. This right here is the back part of it. Goes to the rear of the vehicle, like under the passenger door. Rear passenger door. I got the front part also. Flip it over for you, for y'all. See, you got right there, right rear. Still got the old double-sided tape on it. But that's all. If anybody looking for it, they need a replacement, just hit me up. I can ship it out, lower US 48 states. And yeah, that's what we got. Nissan Maxima guy.